What does this little thing do? We're gonna find out. Don't go anywhere. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We are here to unbox the Mi Box. That doesn't sound good. Anyway, this is a product that comes from our friends. Well, not really my friend, personally friend, but you know what I mean. The people from Xiaomi. And we have the Mi Box S. It is a 4K Ultra HD set-top box. Wow, that's a mouthful. But this beautifully crafted box right here, very sturdy, is gonna open up a whole new world for you.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
For you in terms of entertainment. Now, not just videos, but also on the game sphere. So what is this all about? Basically, the Mi Box S is the successor of the original Mi Box. There's no S. What does S mean anyway? Comment below if you know the answer. This one is a little like a puck kind of device that you're gonna connect to your TV via HDMI, and once you do that, this becomes now your entertainment center. You can install like apps and games in it, and you can connect controllers and stuff like that. Now let's check out the box. Now on the front, as you can see, it just gives you a very nice and wow, look at that, very shiny. And then it says there's free HDMI cable. Thanks. So what's included in the box? What's included? What's inside the box? Of course, you get your Mi Box S right there. And then you've got your Bluetooth voice remote. Just a little note, the predecessor version of this one also had a remote, but I don't think it was Bluetooth. I think it's more like an IR kind of infrared. IR means infrared. It has that kind of remote wherein you have to be within the range, and if it's blocked, you can't use it. But this one is Bluetooth, so even if you're not pointing the remote in front of the box, it's still gonna work. Of course, as long as you're still in the range. Now also, it's a voice remote, so that means that this little thing here, this remote, has a microphone built in, and you can speak right to it, and then you can make voice commands. And because it is Google. It also comes with the HDMI cable. Thanks. And also, of course, the power cable. Thanks. We're gonna check out if it's a flat or a round kind of plug. Of course, it's powered by Android TV. So let's look at the other side of the box. It's a 3-step setup. It's actually not really just 3 steps, but at least it gives you an idea of how to set it up. Number 1, you're gonna attach the Mi Box to your TV. You're gonna attach it through your HDMI connection. Then you're gonna connect it to the internet. You need to have an internet for this one, by the way. Alright, you need to have an internet. You need to have an internet connection. The faster, the better. And number 3, you can start streaming. So basically, attach it, connect it, stream it. That sounds good. Let's look at the back. It gives you an idea of what this product will do. It is powered by Android TV. Android TV is part of the Android ecosystem, wherein it's primarily focused on TV. So you connect this one, and then all the apps that are available on the Google Play Store that is for Android TV, you can use it. So like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, etc. It's got built-in with Chromecast. Chromecast is a way for you to send video, audio, photos to your screen from your phone. Now, typically, Chromecast works, with Android phones, but there are also phones on the iOS side, or on the iPhone side, or the Apple side, that works with Chromecast. There's also Google Assistant built in. What happens is you can just talk to the remote, ask them to do something like, look for videos on YouTube about dogs or something, and then it's gonna show up on the screen magically. It also says here 4K Ultra HD. It's capable of streaming on 4K HD. Now, just reminders. We really need to make reminders here because people may not have the right assumptions about products. Guys, in order for you to stream 4K Ultra HD or enjoy 4K Ultra HD, you need to make sure that your TV is 4K. You cannot connect this to a normal kind of LED or LCD TV and it's not 4K. It's not going to turn your TV into 4K. Your TV needs to be 4K first. in order for you to enjoy this. Now, of course, your internet should also be fast, because even if you have TV that is 4K and then your internet is slow, then you can't enjoy the 4K. So you have to make sure that your TV is on 4K and your internet is fast. All right, and it also has quad-core CPU. What does that mean? What that means is that this machine is faster than the previous one. In fact, I believe it has 8 gigabytes of storage, because that's where you're going to put all your apps, which is the same as the previous one, but it has 2 gigabytes of memory, so that makes things faster. Okay, so you got that one. Nothing here, nothing here. Oh, of course, you're still standard stuff here. And of course, you know, here's also an idea of what apps that you can use and watch with this particular box right here. So you got your Netflix, you got your Prime Video, you got your YouTube. Now, guys, again, another reminder. Not all of these apps might be available in your region. So let's say, for example, Netflix. Most likely, if you're in the Philippines, you can enjoy Netflix. But if you're using Prime Video, most likely you can't. Okay? So that's why you need to have a VPN, or a virtual private network, that you need to buy or subscribe so that you can enjoy some of these apps. Now, of course, some of these apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, you need to pay. So again, just to remind you, because people might think, okay, if I got this one, then this is free. No. It doesn't come for free. YouTube does. You just need an account. All right, we're gonna open the box, which is always the fun part. So we're gonna get our box cutter. As you can see, it's still sealed. See? Here we go. Ooh. There we go. I'm gonna do it this way. Got the box right here. We're gonna lift it up. Ooh, look at that. Nice finish. And then you got your Mi here. It's very thin. Look at that. From this angle, it looks like a PlayStation. This side. Okay. And then here at the back, you've got the ports. Okay, you've got an audio port right here. You got an HDMI port. That's where you're going to connect the cable to your TV. This is a USB. Oh, by the way, you can actually connect a USB, like a thumb drive. You can put it here so that you can also watch like movies or side load apps, and also for the power right here. Here, the standard FCC stuff. So that's what it looks like. So here's the manual. Oh, good. It's in English. Great. All right. Okay, that's good. And it's got pretty pictures. Ooh, it's in English and other languages. Ooh, okay. So here's where the accessories come in. All right, I'm gonna open. This is the HDMI cable. It's got the Mi there. And then this is the power supply. Oh no! Ah, it's a round plug. So I still need to buy a connector to make this flat. Of course, the remote. Okay, well, I'm gonna open this remote right here. Oh, look at that. Very nice remote. Light. Be careful where you put this. Volume up and down. Special buttons for Netflix and Prime Video. Personally, this is perfect for me. So basically, if you're going to be using this, you just press this little button here, pop, and Netflix comes on the screen. And you've got power here, and this is a very rubbery feel. It's more like an up, down, left, right, and then the middle part is like the enter key. And usually these are like the apps, back, and stop thing, I think. And of course, the Google Assistant right here. Where's the mic? There! That's where the mic is. So you talk through it like this. Google. Now, does it come with batteries? Oh my goodness. Let me just say this, guys, from Xiaomi. We love your products. We love it. We love how it's done and everything. I don't think you'll be losing a lot of money if you provide some, it doesn't have to be Energizer batteries. But you could have at least given us some batteries. Come on. I mean, we don't even already have a flathead plug. You can't even give us batteries. Anyway, so what kind of batteries do we need? We need AAA, the really small ones that you can, inhale. So 2 of them, and then you're good to go. These are the things that you can find inside the box. One thing great about this one is that it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's very small, very compact, put it right under your TV. The way it's crafted, it's very simple. Regarding the remote control, put it in your hand. It fits most hands. It's very light, so be very careful, you know, where to place this, because you might misplace it, right? Because it's quite light. I think all the controls that you need to use the Mi Box, it's all here. So how much is this Mi Box right here? Well, we got this online, and basically the estimate of getting the Mi Box S is roughly around, you know, $50, probably around $40 to $50, depending on the source. But I'm very excited to use the Mi Box S simply because it's much faster than the previous version of Mi Box. Not to mention the applications that you can use with this one. It's got, you know, entertainment purposes, like informational purposes, and at the same time you can use this for games. You can actually connect specific kinds of game pads or game controllers with this one via Bluetooth, you know, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching the Mi Box S unboxing. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, make sure you like, and also put your comments and let us know what you think about this product or other things that you want to see. We'll see you again next time. Stay tech curious.